Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos. Today we discuss about Z-score. Z-score tells us person's standing relative to the rest of group. For example, if we know a specific person's performance with respect to his teammate, either the person perform good, bad, excellent, where he lie. We interpret this result with the help of Z-score. Z-score also tells us how many standard deviations our raw score is above or below the mean. We convert Z-score by using following mathematical formula. Z is equal to x minus mu over sigma. Here x represent raw score, mu is mean drawn from population, and sigma represents the standard deviation of population. And other definition of Z-score is a Z-score explain raw square location in terms of how far above or below the mean when it is measured in terms of standard deviation. Why we need Z-score? At first step, we need Z-score to compare and interpret raw scores drawn from normal distribution of interval or ratio scales. By using Z-score, we compare individual relative performance on two separate normally distributed set of scores. Number 3, to know relative standing of specific person, whether it is good or bad, high or low, we convert raw score into Z-score to know about specific person's performance. Z-score also easily calculate raw score's location, its relative and simple frequency, and percentiles. We understand these steps with the help of following example. Here is the question. Tom scored 60 on his history test. The class mean was 49 and standard deviation was 7. What is Tom's Z-score? Here is formula. Z is equal to x minus mu over sigma. Raw score is 60, which is the score obtained by Tom. Put here 60 minus class average. The result of class average is 49. 60 minus 49 over standard deviation is 7. Standard deviation shows the difference between the results of the teammates or students of a class. After simplification, Z is equal to 1.57 plus 1.57, which shows that Tom scored 1.7 standard deviation above the mean. We can say that average is 49 and Tom's score is 1.57 standard deviation above the mean performance. Here we show our data set. 49 here this is the raw score, 49 is the average, and 7, because 7 is the standard deviation, add 7 in 49, we obtain 56 plus 7 63 plus 7 70, because on right side mu plus standard deviation, mu plus 2 standard deviation, mu plus 3 standard deviation, and on the left side mu minus standard deviation, 49 minus 7 42, mu minus 2 standard deviation, 35, mu minus 3 standard deviation 28. These are the formulas of the normal distribution. At center lie mu, and on the right side adding one standard deviation, and on left side subtracting one standard deviation. This is the normal curve, and these are our raw scores. Here is sorry, these are our z scores. Here is 0, mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1 in the z distribution when it follows the standard normal curve, and z score follows the standard normal curve. So here is one standard deviation is 1, here is plus 1, this is we obtain plus 2, and this is plus 3, and here is minus 1, here is minus 2, here is minus 3. How we obtain these numbers? Here is mean mu mean is 0 in standard normal distribution, so here is 0, mu plus sigma, standard deviation is 1, 0 plus 1 1, mu plus 2 standard deviation, 0 plus 2 into 1 2, mu plus 3 standard deviation, 0 plus 3 into 1 3. Similarly on left side, mu minus standard deviation 0 minus 1, mu minus 2 standard deviation minus 2 into 1 minus 2, mu minus 3 standard deviation 0 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Here is the z-score, and this is the position where Tom's score lie, 1.57. And in this question we learn Tom's position, where he lie as compared to other classmates. Means here is the average 49 students obtained the results, and Tom performance is 1.7 standard deviations is high. We obtain the performance of a specific persons with the help of z-score rather than the raw score. Raw score does not provide such information. Here we another example. Jason won 2 master degrees, one on psychology and one in business administration. He had taken 2 departmental entrance exams. His score for psychology exam was 109. The mean of our psychology applicant this year was 93, with standard deviation of 12. Jason's score in business administration was 56, and mean of this group was 52 with 6 standard deviation. On which test was Jason's performance superior? Here is the answer. In this question, it is necessary to transform both scores into z-score in order to compare Jason's relative standing in both cases. We first of all we simplify according to psychology. Jason's score according to psychology, here is the mathematical formula. His score in psychology was 109, and the mean of all candidate in psychology is 93 with 12 standard deviation, and z score is equal to plus 1.33. And in business administration, Jason's score was 56 minus mean of all students appear in entrance exam of business administration is 52 over 6. Here is a mistake, we write simply 6. 6 is the standard deviation, so z score is 0.67. So Jason performance is above the mean for both entrance examination, and his standing was higher in psychology than business administration as compared to other applicant. We interpret these two results that JSON performance is higher than mean because plus signs show JSON's performance is higher than mean because we see in our diagram plus sign is on right side means performance is plus, and negative sign below average then it means the performance is low. So according to this interpretation we can see JSON performance is above average in both exams, but in psychology his score is 1.3 standard deviation above mean, and in business administration his score is 0.67 standard deviation above mean. So his performance in psychology is better as compared to business administration. So we solve a person specific performance in two different data sets and obtain the results. Here we discuss the formulas for transforming the raw score in of a sample into z score. Z is equal to x minus x bar over standard deviation. As you know, the mean of sample statistics shown by x bar, and s is the standard deviation obtained from sample data, and the procedure is similar. And we also transform raw score data obtained from population. Z score can also be calculated with known population mean and standard deviation. If any specific population have known population mean and known standard deviation, we can calculate its Z score. Z is equal to x minus mu over sigma. Thanks.